Come test drive the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, power windows, fog lights, compass, power door locks, power brakes, trip odometer, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.